Hello friends, today I am at Ricketts Glen State Park camping with my family, and I thought I would share with you how our first day went because it was something. As soon as we got close to the campground, it started pouring rain. My husband almost wanted to turn back and wait till the next day, today. But he did stick it out, and we got everything set up. Luckily, he knew exactly, he's the one that packed the car, so he knew exactly like how to grab our tent and our canopy right quick so we could get that set up first. So that was interesting for sure. And then it basically rained on and off the rest of the day, the evening. We got here like, I want to say about 2:30. Yeah, and it just kept coming. But it was fine. We did get a fire in, which that's pretty good. I heated up some chicken with bell peppers, and we just made sandwiches out of that. Really delicious. Then, come 1:30 at night, I hear something. It sounds like literally walking on all fours in front of our tent. Next to, we have our picnic table like set up right in front of our tent as well, and I see this shadow and I'm like, please don't be a bear, please don't be a bear. My husband supposedly put everything away, and he did, but he left out a bag. It was fully zipped, but it had like some dry food in it. Babe, there's something outside of our tent. And he's like, well look, and I'm like, no. So he looks and he's like, it's a cat. And I'm like, what? A cat? Like, then I'm thinking like, what kind of cat? And then as he looked further, he's like, oh my gosh, it's a raccoon. And it was like on top of our picnic table. And so he gets his stuff on and goes out, and I hear him like, you know, just kind of doing some stuff outside. And then he comes back in and he's like, the freaking raccoon unzipped our bag and like got into like, we have no s'mores. And I was like, oh no. So I'm not sure exactly what the damage is, but not looking too great. That was my first encounter with a raccoon camping, literally in front of our tent. But I was like, thankfully it wasn't a bear. And you know, just a small thing. He didn't think, you know, anything of it, figured it was zipped. But yeah, lesson learned. So we kept our cooler in the car. Like, he did a great job packing up. It was just that one bag that got left out. So I mean, what can you do but learn from it? I'm pretty sure there's a store nearby around here that we can pick up some things, you know, to eat. I have stuff in the cooler, but basically we don't have any dry snacks because that had like chips in it too, even though I don't think they were opened. Well, I don't know, doesn't matter. He's like, we're not touching anything that was in that bag. Like, I get it. So yeah, fun, interesting night for sure. And again, my freaking air pad like kept deflating. I don't know, I got the same one for my husband as well to use, and I guess I'll find out later today if his stayed blown up, but mine kept deflating, and I'm like, what? Last time it was fine. So I'm gonna have to figure that out again, hopefully. Maybe I just didn't, you know, get the seal on tight enough the first time, because I had to do 2 times. I got up and I repumped. The first one was while the raccoon issue thing was going on, and then again I had to go to the bathroom, so I was like, might as well, as I'm up, repump it, which is kind of annoying when you're family tent camping, because I'm making a bunch of noise every time I move around or get up and I'm pumping my pad up. But they're pretty heavy sleepers, I don't know. So yeah, interesting, fun night, and I am on the beach trail for a early morning walk. So yeah, that's how it's going so far. Stay tuned. just throwing cards at me. Just throwing cards at me.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's keep... Oh.
Oop.
Okay, there's 4. You have 4?
3.
You give her 1. I have 4 already, so be careful. Whoa! Okay, you have 5. There we go. 1 at a time, slowly. We got nothing but time. There we go.
What's this doing?
Well, now we need to keep track of how... You just gave yourself 2. What are you trying to do? Let's keep track. Wait, just hold on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You are like the craziest dealer ever. Hold on.
I have 7. You could put either a 7 or pull a card.
Oh, wait.
You're just pulling cards for no reason at this point. You're pulling cards when you probably don't have to.
I take it. It says hearts now.
Okay.
I'm gonna...
I know. This round is crazy.
Is it my turn?
No, I'm changing it to diamonds. Just hold on there, horse. Yeah.
5.
My turn.
Oh.
Boom. Mama wins.
No, I think I won.
Don't let your sister. Don't let
Shut up.
Hello, friends. Okay. Today is pack up and go home day. Spiderweb. Let me tell you. Oh my gosh. So yesterday it decided to, just downpour. We had a big old thunderstorm with lightning. It was insane. I mean, cool, but insane. For camping, especially family camping trip, my kids were not thrilled about being outside or in a tent while it was going on. My oldest daughter hung out with me, but my husband and youngest daughter went straight into the tent. It was definitely cool to watch, but yeah, then everything's just wet all day, and I feel like I have felt damp this entire trip because it's been hot, humid, and rainy. We were able to get some time though at the beach, a good, I want to say 4 hours. I think about 4 hours of, sunshine. They were able to rent a kayak. So my husband took the girls one at a time on the kayak in the lake, and they got to swim around. So I'm glad that they were able to do that before the crazy storm that we got. I'm a people watcher, and my daughter and I were having a great time watching all the campers like how they were reacting. Some people were like freaking out and packing up and leaving. Others were coming, but then stayed in their car. One guy just in his swim trunks started walking down the the road. We were like, what is he thinking? Is he like, what the hell is going on? Or is he like, this is amazing? We didn't know, but it was fun to watch. Just makes everything wet. We were still able to do a fire as well once it stopped. We kept our wood dry, so that was good. But it's just been a wild family camping trip for sure. We haven't been as a family camping in 7 years, and then when we finally do go, it poured rain when we first got here setting up camp, and it pours rain like on and off throughout our entire trip. But yeah, we'll make for some good stories and a good memory that, well, my husband probably won't laugh about right now, but I feel like give him a few months and he'll be able to look back and laugh about it. So I'm just doing the beach trail one last time. It's a mile, so I'll get in 2 miles this morning. It's very simple. It's on a gravel path, so easy peasy, but it's nice and it's not raining. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. See you soon. Just wanted to show you that there are a lot of picnic table options here. This area pretty much stays shaded all day, and you still get a really nice view of the lake. And the beach is over yonder. There's another picnic table.